Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on equations with fractions worksheets. So this video gives us two worksheets where we are asked to solve equations containing algebraic fractions. We've had a lesson on the very topic, so if you need any help, on the last slide there is a link. Click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. In the meantime, I'll leave this slide on for 1 minute before I move on to the next slide, but you can pause this slide for as long as you want. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. And again, I'll leave it on for 1 minute, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and here it is. So you can click on that link if you need any help, and I hope you find this worksheet very useful.